Oh, I'm already breathing heavy, my friends, but welcome back to another journey. We are actually here on the property, part 2 of sourcing trees for the bridge build. So let me show you what I got. So when I last had left you, I was still limbing up the tree. You can kind of see how much I've gotten done. So up to that point, I can't really reach any of those branches without being underneath the tree. So to me, that just was not safe. It is still hung up on the tree up here, and that's actually the other tree that I need to cut down. But before I do that, I'm gonna get this tree pulled up, or start getting it pulled up. So I went and I have my chain that I actually found here on the property, and then I have my come along connected to it, and then I'm borrowing a chain from a buddy, and that chain is super heavy duty. So right now I'm working towards a tree here. I'm gonna get it pulled as much as I can, and then I'm gonna shift it over to another tree. That way I can start getting it to go that way. But let's get you guys set up and let's get this tree pulled over.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. A step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
All right, Gladys and the girls are heading home, and we had a pretty productive day. So bridge project's kind of like a weekend project. right? Because we're working on kind of like the priority type stuff during the week. But we come out here and, well, I mean, Gladys and the girls, well, more Gladys than anybody, they've still been working on, you know, the prepping of the sites for the RV. So, you know, getting the leaves and stuff put up, piled up, getting a lot of the dead limbs out, you know, trimming up some trees, right? Because we got a big old brush pile, a couple of them, and then our thorn pile. Been burning, doing a lot of burning, but she's also been clearing out, you know, this big area over here, you know, because if we're going to be living here, I mean, the girls are going to need some place to be able to hang out and such. So this is going to be kind of like a little play area. You know, we'll do something over here, but I'm probably going to end up putting in like some type of fencing, because that right there is actually a den for something. I don't know, but I know most of y'all are here just to see the bridge build. But you know, I'll break it down too whenever it comes to doing the bridge, of just a full video of talking about only the bridge. But look, I don't know what's in there, but there's a hole here and a hole right here. I'm pretty sure it's armadillo. But yeah, don't know. So actually, let me head back over to the log so you guys can kind of see what I got thus far, you know, because a lot of the other stuff we had music playing and such, rocking it out. So I did a lot of, you know, time lapse and just other video, just not talking. But that's what we said. We want to try to show more work, less talk. So let's go check it out. So I still have my chain, my come along. I'm telling you, man, this thing is heavy, but I got a lot of it cleared out. Coming up. So I've been trying to get all the limbs and stuff done. So it's really only effective up to this point here. So as of right there where I have it tied off is a 2-foot circumference. So, I mean, from there coming down, I mean, technically I should probably only be using it right here, but to right there is roughly 30 feet, 30 and a half feet, 30 feet, 6 inches roughly. So, but the big side, so what I'm doing is I'm pulling it until I basically get to this tree here, or up to here. And then at this point, plus it's going to be a lot lighter once I cut that off. But once it gets to this point, I can always attach it to the post over there and then start pulling it across the creek. And then once I get all this stuff cleared out, then I'll start on the next one. Yep, there we go. So that's what we got so far. And it's been taking a lot of work, a lot of back-breaking work to get this log moved where you need it to go. But if you don't have the equipment to do that, then you use what you got. And right now, all we got is what you see. There's a lot of back-breaking work. So I definitely appreciate y'all. And my camera died, so now we're back at the house. I already got my shower in, but we definitely appreciate y'all for following the journey. If you wouldn't mind, click that subscribe. If you made it this far and you're not subscribed, just helps us grow. Share us out to your friends. It's greatly appreciated. Check out the links we have down in the description. And remember, always thank a veteran every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye, y'all.